You can't compete
when you
with
reach
me
the age of 56,
because I'm not in a
as
competition.
I have reached,
I'm not here
have to learn
to
to
prove I'm better than
understand.
you. I'm here to
You
prove
should
to
learn
myself that
something.
I'm
You should
better
know
than I was
something at this
yesterday.
stage.
While you're busy
I
watching what I'm
remember
doing, I'm too focused
I
on building
almost
what you'll
lost my
wish you
life
had
at the
started.
hands of my
You
ex-husband.
can't compete with me because
And
I
I
don't
couldn't tell
quit.
anybody because
I
nobody
don't
would
fold.
believe.
I don't run when it gets
He's the
tough. I
sweetest
rise.
person. He's
See,
the
you might have more
kindest person
talent.
to
You might
everybody
have more
out there.
followers. You might even have a head start.
And
But
his
I've got something
children
you
mother
can't copy.
are his enemy.
Grit.
Once you procreate
Consistency.
for him, you become
Fire
an
in my
enemy.
soul that doesn't flicker when the lights go
And
out. You
as I
can't
said,
compete
I
with
live
me
in
because I've
silence
already
for many
failed in
years
ways you're
because
too
nobody
scared to
would
even
believe
try.
me.
I've
Not
been
his
counted
family,
out,
not my
talked
family, not
down,
the neighbors,
ignored.
nobody, because
But I didn't
he's so
break.
nice.
I built. You're
And
looking
when
at
he
results. I'm living the
hit me in my
process.
eye,
And while you're
and I
checking who's
went to the
clapping for
police
you, I'm
station that
clapping
I
for
was
myself in
working and I made
silence
the
because I know
report.
the real win isn't
Nobody
applause,
at the
it's
station
progress.
believed me.
So no,
Them say I lie, me I tell
you can't compete with me.
But
Because
the
I'm
only
not chasing
person who would have
validation,
known
I'm
what
chasing
I was
growth.
going through over
And
the
when your
years was my
motivation runs
doctor.
out, mine becomes discipline. Let them
And
compare, let them talk, let them
we
watch.
put the
But
matter
remember
before the
this,
court.
I'm not trying to outdo you. I'm trying
We
to
try to work
outlast
some
you.
little way
You
because
can't
as
compete with
women,
me
we
because
foolish,
I'm in a league of
we
my
take
own,
abuse
the
and we
league of
still
those who never give
offer
up.
care. So I never want them to lock him up finger losing job and losing pension after how much 30 odd years in the JCF. And when we go to court, the judge send out the probation officers to go in the community to do a background check. And let me tell you something. Me and them are no friend. Them hate me and him, everybody love. And they gave the probation officer information on my ex-husband. All now I don't see the report and I don't know who say what. But the information that my neighbors give to the probation officer, the judge ordered him to be evicted in 24 hours. The judge said, my God, you're going to kill the lady. So for those of you women who no have no man and think you know everything best because you're not no man, who no want no man because according to no want live in peace, who think you know my life from a 30-second video. I am 56 years old. I have been around the blocks a lot. Dean Jackson Miller had a program Wednesday as to why domestic violence against women continue. Because people are say the nurse did a fight back the man too. So them feel lock up the nurse too. The women are saying that the nurse did a fight back the man too. And I said to myself that men continue to abuse women because women support abusers. It's sad. Women support men who abuse their wives. Women set up with men to unalive their wives and children. Women, it's sad. It's sad. No care how much crime or wickedness the man a do to him wife. As soon as the wife out of the picture, 100 women want him because them a go change him until it reach to them, and then another woman take him, and the whole cycle continues. So me nah look nobody on my side. Me grow past that. Me have me engine around and me have all of my plans them line up for my welfare. Me nah look validation from nobody. Cause my parents abandoned me at 5 years old. So me nah look validation from nobody.